yeah, yeah, I've got a call to yeah, Watching a Bascom X represent for Jamaica worst game, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. You don't know.
What you really say to me, Khago? So you feel say he's a better reggae artist than me? You talk about 5 songs. Alright, me up for the challenge. Competition answer.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Woo! Hey, guys, today we are with the final. The final one in the singer between Khago and Bascom X. This is Bascom X smoking marijuana. Yes, man. Yes, this is the final one. I want to just drop. So big up the two artists them for giving us a show. Big up on yourself, appreciate it. And big up myself for being a host to this, because I was the official host in this shit. So, check in the comment in the community section of the channel and cast a vote of who is the overall winner of this competition. All right. So let's jump in the one and here where Bascom office say in a smoking marijuana. Let's go. Let's get it.
Khago, you can't catch this cinema.
Once a Khago, you can't catch this. Khago, you can't catch this, you know.
Marijuana make you really wanna float like breeze. Eyes bleed from the trees. High grade marijuana, keep me cool and calm. Floating like breeze. Eyes bleed
all
from
right,
the
man,
trees.
big up on yourself. Walk one.
By me ends I kick it back and hold the bands down the guanga tree. Me and Jay and Manoki.
If you don't want to hear it again, say boom bang, man. Boom bang.
Khago, you can't catch this cinema.
Khago, you say you can't catch this.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy, I wish this competition was carrying on. Ready?
Smoking marijuana make you really wanna float like breeze. Eyes bleed from the trees. High grade marijuana, keep me cool and calm. Floating like breeze. Eyes bleed from the trees. By me ends I kick it back and hold the bands down the guanga tree. Me and Jay and Manoki. Blaze up some kiki. Smoke about a pound, spend about 10G.
Hold on. One him kick back and smoke marijuana. Him and Jay and Manaki. If it's a Manaki, you don't know see one Manaki and a Asian Manaki. Hold on, man. Hold on, man.
Khago, you can't catch this cinema.
Freshly made for the competition.
Smoking marijuana make you really wanna float like breeze. Eyes bleed from the trees.
Listen me. Big up all of me weed smoker them. Big up all of me idle weed smoker them. When we have off angle them bumbo class smokings. Ready? Bascom, talk to them.
By me ends I kick it back and hold the bands down the guanga tree. Me and Jay and Manoki.
Why?
Blaze up some kiki. Smoke about a pound, spend about 10G. Gonna ring out at the Mikey. Bascom X me sending you a special delivery. Swiftly the warrant link way. So the eyes, the sky is bumpy, cash a quick delivery. Smoke like cloudy, couldn't see me. Even if you want.
Khago, you can't catch this cinema.
Make up pin that one in the comment section. Go over the G channel, please.
Make you really wanna float like breeze. Eyes bleed from the trees. High grade marijuana, keep me cool and calm. Floating like breeze. Eyes bleed from the trees. By me ends I kick it back and hold the bands down the guanga tree. Me and Jay and Manoki. Blaze up some won't spend about
Bascom!
20. Wanna ring out that to make it. Bascom X, me sending you a special delivery. Swiftly the worry link way. So the eyes, the sky is bumpy, cash a quick delivery. Smoke like cloud, it couldn't see me. Even if you want, you couldn't be me. Into the midst of the heaven, that's where we be. Jealous in me and me keep it greedy. Oh, Babylon, I try and free me. Pull me over, only find a cup of CD. Now the whole world loving, smoking, high grade marijuana. Make you really wanna.
Bumbo class.
Eyes of blue trees, high grade marijuana. Make you really wanna. Float like
Breeze, breeze.
Bascom!
Bascom!
All when we gone on tour, searching for the highest, cause we no bun cure. It'll make them
Yeah, the man say all of them out the pan tour, all of them gone pan tour. Remember though, search for the highest. Him just wish him could have bring some. Him could just wish he could have link key and get some and go through airport with it and just smoke it when them there Europe and do him show them. I want to youth weed.
tour, searching for the all when we gone on tour, searching for the highest, cause we no bun cure. It'll make the meditation soar.
What do we go down that way?
And I love it, marijuana, so smooth, so nice.
Level.
And I love
I saw weed man hold them weed, you know. Cause them no want that shit to end. Look here.
smoking
In marijuana.
make you really wanna float like
Breeze, breeze.
There's a bleed from the trees, high grade marijuana. Make you really wanna float like breeze, breeze.
Breeze.
Trees.
Wake up!
Smoking high grade all night,
All day.
loving your way.
Bascom!
Smoking high grade all night,
All day.
high grade, yeah. Oh yeah.
Yo, me like this. I love the competition too. Nobody send a boom bang. I'm not play it again. If you don't want to hear it, when you go over the G channel, this I go pin down in the comment section. In channel I go pin over there. So you can go check out the other rest of song them over there too. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, recap on this whole competition. This is the end of it. This is round 5. If both artists decide that this is the end, we understand. Cause them this is 5 songs each. What kind of song we get? We get Lover's Song. Yes. We get Hurt Song. Cause remember say Khago did a ball for Francine one at a time. We get Weed Song. Yeah. Yeah, man, the Weed Song. Yeah. We get reality songs. Yes. We get reality songs from both artists. Yeah. We will get good vocal, good rhythms, good everything, bro. Like the song them well put together, fam. We also get classics. We get classics. Cause Khago go Walk a Mile and Bascom X go Eyes on the Prize. Bombard! How not ramp with over here? How not ramp with? No, here I go now. Artists, singers, please. The elder singers them we bust a while back now and we not hear nothing from them. Pick an opponent and forward. Pick an opponent and forward. and come make it happen over here, so. It's a sing-off. No, nothing disrespectful. So don't worry about your career going down the drain or whatever. No. We want 2 more artists. Yes, we want 2 more artists for forward. You see me? Make we host it over here, so, and see what the people them say, what the better singer. So if you know say better than the next artist, make we know, no, man. Just have the sing-off. Don't brave up, man. Make the people them speak. So right now, as you finish listening to this now, go over the comment section, go over the community section, and go vote on who is the better artist singing wise and the good song them. Which artist on a prefer for ear. You understand? Yes. Big up the 2 artists then. Big up yourself, Khago. Big up yourself, Bascom X. Big up on yourself, bro. Appreciate the tour I put on a show that's never been done before in a dance hall. Big up on yourself. Appreciate it. I mean, also the fans them appreciate it too. You see me? So yeah, salute to the both town now. Salute. Gun salute. You understand? Yes. Buying salute. Let me know what you guys think though about the world competition in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in there. I'll catch you guys down there. Peace.
Yeah, stay. Yeah, I've got a call to watching a Bascom X represent for Jamaica Worst Gamer, 𝐑𝐂𝐊𝐈𝐎𝐍. You don't know.